Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I got called out by Will from Greaser Thoughts Garage on the top 5 things I like about my truck. So we're gonna take you through that. So the first thing I do like about the truck is the overall stance. I mean, it is a long bed. People obviously rather the short beds, but I like something a little different. So I like the overall stance. Sitting pretty good. So, and the reason I like the overall stance is it's sitting on some Aldan coilovers, which make this thing sit super nice, and basically gives me the stance that I was kind of looking for, long and low. So that's going to be the number one, and we'll get to showing you the Aldans here in a second, kind of what those look like. So you can't quite see them, but underneath these wheel wells is the Aldan American coilovers. You can kind of see them on that side there. Actually, if I jump underneath, so there are the Aldan American coilovers with the new upper and lowers. Then also we've got a nice sway bar in here as well. So that is one of the things I really like about this truck, is the overall stance. So really digging that, and huge shout out to Aldan for that. So the second thing I like about this truck is this little piece right here. It is nice to actually have air conditioning. So got a nice hookup from, actually, so it's vintage air, but Dirty Dingo took care of all of the brackets, the spacers, everything on both sides. So huge shout out to Dirty Dingo for that. So that's the AC is definitely going to be the second thing I like about the truck, and it actually sits up pretty well inside here. So I got the AC there, and then I also tied into a whole new dash pad. Got a new dash pad in there as well. And then I just got the little Terminator just kind of floating there right now. But the AC has been a huge upgrade. The third thing I like about this truck are these brand new seats. So I went with the black seats. Yeah, and I went with this is actually an orange stitching. I wanted something a little different. I didn't want red, didn't want white, didn't want black. So I kind of went with orange, kind of tie it into the yellow theme that's going on here. But I do have to say that these seats, these are pretty badass, super comfortable, and this is made by TMI. So TMI hooked us up with those. The center console is nice. You can throw your junk in there, and right now it's not even mounted down, but there's a strap and you can get that tied down. But really digging the seats on this. Makes the ride way more comfortable. So really enjoy the seats in this thing. Yeah, the nice thing about these seats, they do recline forward. I got to recline forward. I got my tools and stuff back there. But again, by TMI, they're super nice seats. I'll have to secure that, but so yeah, that's been am I on the third? That's the third nice upgrade. So the other huge upgrade is this thing underneath here. So this is the Boyd Welding relocation gas tank. Super nice, super good quality gas tank. Got it mounted in the bed here. That's going to be your fuel, and then that's just an accessory panel we cut out for the fuel pump and everything else, just in case I needed to get to it, so I didn't have to pull off the entire bed to get to it. So I found this little thing on eBay somewhere. It's already pre-manufactured, and that comes with the kit. That is from Boyd Welding. So that's been a huge upgrade because that's got the in-tank fuel pump. And this thing is super happy with it right now. So what are we on, number 4? So, and I guess for the last thing that I really do like about the truck is just that the overall look of it. It is definitely a daily driver. The one thing I do enjoy most about it is this LS swap motor. This just makes life so much easier. I've got it tied into the Holley Terminator X with the 4L60. Got the dirty Dingo. I don't know, man. I enjoy cruising this thing. The plan was to take it out to duct tape drags, but little change of plans, but for next year. So again, I just really enjoy that because this just makes this thing so much more fun to drive. Fires up every single time. Very faithful, very happy with everything. So that's gonna be my top 5. And again, if I had to pick 6, it would just be the overall ruggedness. This is just a old beater truck. Not really into paint and all that stuff, but oh man, the last thing I do like, I do have to say, I'm gonna make it number 6. So this thing came and it didn't have inner wheel wells. The hood was jacked. So I have to say, Auto Metal Direct has some nice inner wheel wells. I got some inner wheel wells, and we've got this brand new hood, which closes super easy. Look at this. So this hood is by Auto Metal Direct, and actually I got this fender as well. So we found this fender through them. It's not color matched, but this is actually just rattle can spray paint with a slight amount of clear coat on it. So again, that just changed a lot by getting a new hood. The hood on there before this was all rusted out. The thing was actually bent and everything. So man, I don't know, that's really my top 5 plus 1. So anyway, that's it, man. I just want to say thanks to Will for calling me out on this. I really enjoyed the truck, and that's really about it, man. This thing's just a fun driver. It's a beater, but I have a lot of fun with it. So my next call out will be, who we're gonna call out here? Ah man, let me think about this one. Let's go take a drive and we'll call somebody out. Yeah, like I said, I really enjoy driving this thing. It's a fun driver, it's cool. And it's just kind of a cool work truck. Get around, throw stuff in the back. But at the same time, you can jump in it and cruise for a few hours and just enjoy the ride. So the last thing I really enjoy about this is these Holley gauges. So you got your volts, you know, oil pressure, your gas, and all that standard stuff. But the cool thing is that the miles per hour, speedo, is actually just ran by GPS, which is really cool. So you don't have to run any extra wires or any cables to your trans and all that good stuff. All this is just tied into the Holley Terminator, the computer that's hidden somewhere in the truck. And again, super cool, very accurate. And you can set, there's little lights here that you can set for each gauge. You got a high and low, the little red light will flash and let you know you're above your temp or whatever. So again, these are super cool. Again, makes the ride so much easier just to cruise in. So that's it. All right, so that's it, guys. So those are the top 5, 6 things, 7 things. Sorry, I went more than 5 that I like about my C10. I'm gonna go on a long shot here. I'm gonna call out John Chase from Hoonigans and see if he wants to throw down and let us know what his top 5 things are on his Nova. If you haven't seen it, jump over to his page. It's super cool. But we'd like to hear, hey John, what are your top 5 things that you like about the Nova? Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, subscribe, share, and all that good stuff. We'll talk to you soon.